Basic anatomy. Reproductive system. Main function. Enables reproduction and production of sex hormones. 1. Main components. Male, testes, sperm ducts, prostate gland and penis. Female, ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus and vagina. 2. Clinical application. Ultrasound examination to monitor pregnancy or detect reproductive disorders. Sperm test for male fertility analysis. Detailed explanation of the reproductive system. The reproductive system is the system responsible for ensuring the survival of the species through the production of reproductive cells, gametes. Fertilization, and the birth process or formation of offspring. In humans, the reproductive system is divided into two, namely the male and female reproductive systems, each of which has specific organs and functions that support each other in the reproductive process. 1. Main functions of the reproductive system. Gamete production. Providing reproductive cells, sperm in men and egg cells in women. Fertilization. The process of combining male gametes, sperm, and female gametes, egg cells, to form a zygote. Fetal development. The process of pregnancy that occurs in women, where the fetus develops before birth. Genetic inheritance. Inheritance of traits from parents to offspring through DNA contained in gametes. 2. Male reproductive system. 1. Main organs. Testes, buds, located in the scrotum. Main function. Production of sperm and testosterone hormone. Inside the testes are seminiferous tubules, where spermatogenesis, sperm formation, occurs. Epididymis. Storage and maturation of sperm after being produced in the testes. Sperm become able to move and fertilize eggs after going through the maturation process in the epididymis. Vas deferens. Long tube that connects the epididymis to the urethra. Main function. Transports sperm during ejaculation to the urethra. Secretory glands. Prostate gland. Produces prostatic fluid that helps protect and nourish sperm. Seminal vesicles. Produces fluid containing fructose, providing energy for sperm. Bulbourethral glands. Produces lubricating fluid that helps prepare the male reproductive tract for sperm. Urethra. The tube that carries urine from the bladder and sperm from the penis to the outside of the body. Penis. An external organ consisting of three main parts: the root, the body, and the glands, head. Main function. Delivers sperm into the female reproductive tract during ejaculation. 2. Reproductive process in men. Spermatogenesis. The process of sperm formation that occurs in the testes. Sperm are produced from germ cells through several stages of cell division and differentiation. Ejaculation. The process of releasing sperm through the urethra. assisted by contractions of the muscles around the reproductive tract. Sperm move out along with fluid from the secretory glands, forming semen. Testosterone release. This hormone plays a role in the development of male secondary sexual characteristics, such as a deep voice, hair growth, and muscle mass formation. 3. Female reproductive system. 1. Main organs. Ovaries. Female reproductive glands that function to produce egg cells, ova, and female sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Egg cells are produced in follicles in the ovaries and will mature during the menstrual cycle. Fallopian tubes, channels that connect the ovaries to the uterus. Main function, the place where fertilization occurs, where sperm meets egg cells to form a zygote. Uterus, a hollow organ with a thick muscular wall. Main function, where the fetus develops during pregnancy. The uterus consists of 3 main parts: the fundus, the body of the uterus, and the cervix. Cervix, the neck of the uterus that connects the uterus to the vagina. Functions to prevent infection from entering the uterus and assists in the birth process by opening the birth canal. Vagina, a canal that connects the cervix to the outside of the body. Functions as a birth canal, menstrual canal, and a place for sexual intercourse. Vulva, an external organ consisting of the labia majora, outer lips, labia minora, inner lips, clitoris. And vaginal opening. Main function, protects the internal reproductive tract. 2. Reproductive process in women. Oogenesis, the process of formation and maturation of egg cells in the ovaries. Every month, one of the ovarian follicles will release an egg in a process called ovulation. Menstruation, a monthly cycle consisting of 4 phases. 1. Menstrual phase. Shedding of blood and tissue from the lining of the uterus, endometrium, that is not used for pregnancy. 2. Follicular phase. The egg matures in the ovary, accompanied by increased estrogen levels. 3. Ovulation. The release of a mature egg from the ovary into the fallopian tube. 4. Luteal phase. If the egg is not fertilized, estrogen and progesterone levels decrease, causing the endometrium to shed and the next menstrual cycle to begin. Fertility and pregnancy. If a sperm fertilizes the egg, the resulting zygote moves toward the uterus to implant itself in the endometrium, and pregnancy begins. The hormone progesterone is produced to maintain the uterine lining and support fetal development. Birth, delivery, after a gestation period of about 40 weeks. A woman's body begins the labor process with contractions that expel the fetus through the cervix and vagina. 4. Regulation of reproductive hormones. The reproductive system is heavily influenced by hormones that regulate the various phases of the reproductive cycle, Testosterone, male. Regulates the development of male secondary sexual characteristics and influences spermatogenesis. Estrogen and progesterone, women, regulates the menstrual cycle, breast development, and prepares the body for pregnancy. LH, luteinizing hormone, and FSH, follicle-stimulating hormone, regulates ovulation in women and spermatogenesis in men. 5. Disorders of the reproductive system. In men, erectile dysfunction, inability to achieve or maintain an erection. Male infertility, low sperm quality or absence of sperm in the ejaculate. In women, polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, a hormonal disorder that causes ovulation problems, enlarged ovaries, and hormonal imbalances. Endometriosis, a condition in which tissue that normally grows in the uterus grows outside the uterus, causing pain and difficulty getting pregnant. Cervical or breast cancer, tumors in the female reproductive organs that are often influenced by genetic or environmental factors. Ectopic pregnancy, a pregnancy that occurs outside the uterus, often in the fallopian tube, which requires immediate medical attention.